Let's get it together.
I thought you said let's get started.
Oh yeah, let's get started.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is me and Bailey. We are coming back with another video for you guys. Want to tell the people, hey Bailey?
Hey.
We have a video that you guys have requested. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make my crispy chicken wings. What you want to tell them?
I want to tell them the chicken wings.
Okay, tell them, girl.
We're making chicken wings today.
That's exactly right. We're going to make these crispy.
Yeah, we're gonna eat them tonight for dinner.
That's exactly right. We're going to make these crispy chicken wings you guys have requested for. So let's go ahead. Let's hop into the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I like to make them. All right, so here goes the chicken wings. I've already cleaned them, so I'm finna go ahead and season them. All right, so the first thing I like to add is some mustard.
I was gonna do the mustard though. Do I just gotta watch or help?
Next, we're gonna put some paprika on there. Next, we're gonna put some garlic on there. That's enough, Bailey. That's enough. Next, we're gonna sprinkle a little onion powder. Then, move your hand, Bailey. Then we're gonna put a little seasoned salt. We're just gonna mix them up. And now that the chicken wings are nicely coated, we're going to put them in the air fryer.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing.
So now that we have the chicken wings into our air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and place it inside. So go ahead and put it in the oven. Be careful because it's hot. Right. So once we have it in, we're going to go ahead. I already preheated my air fryer. So since I've already preheated it, what I'm going to do is now we definitely got to get us a bigger air fryer because my family has been requesting chicken wings every week now. So I'm going to go to menu, and then I'm going to go to poultry, and then I'm going to put it on 380, and then I'm going to hit start. So I like to cook mine for 25 minutes, but I'm going to cook them first on this side for 12 minutes, and then I'm going to come back when it stops to flip them over, and then I'm going to cook them some more. Alright, y'all, so my chicken wings have stopped, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Put it back in there, and then we're going to do the same thing. Hit the menu, go to poultry, but this time I'm going to set it at 385, and then it's going to be for 12 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out and check them, and if they're crispy like I like them, then I'll take them out. Chicken wings are done, and I think I like that crispiness, so I'm gonna take them out. So here is the first batch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this about 2 more times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the final touch to them, so stay tuned. Last thing, just gonna sprinkle some ranch on there. Now we're just gonna take it and shake it up.
That's how we get our food. Yummy. Thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe. Thumbs up. And you can see my necklace that I got from the yesterday, right, Mom? Yummy.
All right, y'all, so we got our food. Our chicken wings are done. We got our sweet potatoes on the side. We didn't record that, but yeah, this is how we make our chicken wings, and we're about to eat up and watch us a little TV for the rest of the night. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to our video. Oh, I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry, y'all. She want to take over. Go ahead, darling.
Like and subscribe to our video.
Yep, like and subscribe to our video.
See you next time.
Bye, y'all. We enjoyed. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night. You ready to eat?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's eat up, girl.
This is yummy.
What's yummy?
This.
Is chicken wings your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
You like when Mama make chicken wings?
Mm-hmm. Don't you like make chicken wings? Comment down in the below.
Talk to you out later. Bye.
Bye.